So today, I'm gonna introduce you to the one and only, my beautiful bike. So, starting off with the frame, we got a 20.6 Fiend Embryo frame. Super solid frame, dude. Like, I've been riding it hard for the past year and a half, and it's just got a few dents on the bottom. So, shout out to Fiend for making such a dope frame. Front end, we got some S&M holder bars, 9-inch rise. They're a little too tall for me, but I'm too lazy to swap them, so I just run them. Odyssey bar ends with red Revenge grips. Lower down, we got Colt's top load stem with a Colt headset and Odyssey R32 forks. And then the front end of the wheel, we got a G-Sport birdcage laced to a claw hub female with Colt butter pegs on both sides. And on the left side, I got a G-Sport hub guard, and then on the right side, I got a bomb track hub guard. Now towards the middle, the guts, we're rocking a 25 tooth Sunday Knox guarded sprocket with the Odyssey bottom bracket. And then on top of that, we got Odyssey Twan bolts, 175 left-hand drive. Hands down, the best cranks. I've only ridden these cranks, like ever since I started riding BMX and I got aftermarket parts on my bike. These were the first cranks that I've ever gotten, and they've been holding up perfect, dude. And they got lifetime warranties, so I recommend if you're looking for cranks, pick some of these up, because they're literally the strongest cranks out there, in my opinion. And then we got some Odyssey JC PC pedals towards the bow, and laced to all that, we got a KMC chain. Towards the back end, we got another G-Sport birdcage hoop, 36 hole, with laced to a 36 hole left-hand drive Raptor hub. And then Colt butter pegs on the back. Drive side hub guard is a tree hub guard, and then on the right we got a bomb track hub guard as well. And then we got in the seat, we got an animal wedge seat post with a shadow seat. That's basically it, dude. Solid bike, have no complaints. I'm the type of dude, like, I only buy stuff whenever it breaks, so lately I haven't needed to buy anything, so I'm pretty hyped on that. You guys want to stay tuned, because next week I'm gonna be hitting up LA, hometown. We're gonna get all the homies session. We're gonna stay clipping. We're gonna have a good time. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, because it's gonna be a wild next week. Peace. Don't know about the pirate side.